In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in ascending or descending order using tables. If you are working with a table and want to organize your information quickly, sorting is one of the most useful tools to know. It helps you arrange values in a clear order, whether that means alphabetical order from A to Z, reverse alphabetical order from Z to A, or sorting numbers from smallest to largest and back again. This makes it much easier to review, compare, and manage your data. To get started, click on any cell within the column you want to sort. This is important because the program uses that selected cell to understand which part of the table you want to organize. You don't need to highlight the entire column or the whole table first. In most cases, simply selecting one cell inside the correct column is enough. As long as your data is already set up as a proper table and the entries are connected. Once you've selected the cell, go to the Home tab and look for the Sort and Filter option. You can also use the Data tab where you'll find sorting tools as well. From there, choose either A to Z or Z to A. If you are sorting text, A to Z will place entries in alphabetical order, while Z to A will reverse that order. If you are sorting numbers, the same options will sort from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. For dates, it will usually sort from oldest to newest or newest to oldest. After you click the option you want, the table will automatically rearrange the rows based on the values in that column. If your table needs more advanced organization, use Custom Sort instead. You can find this from either the Data tab or the Home tab. Depending on the layout of your version, Custom Sort is especially helpful when one sort rule isn't enough. For example, you may want to sort by one column first, and then sort matching values by another column. In the Custom Sort window, you can add additional levels using the Then By option. This allows you to create a more detailed sorting structure without changing your data manually. When using multiple sort levels, take a moment to double-check that each column is listed in the order you want. That way, your final result is organized exactly as expected. Sorting works best when your table is clean and each column has a clear heading. So keeping your data structured will save time and avoid confusion. Thanks for watching.